Hello, everyone. Well, I won a prize. Woohoo! Actually, I won two in the last couple weeks. This one just arrived, and the other one will be here sometime after the holidays, which has been explained to me, and that's fine. I don't have any problem with that. I'm just very happy to have received this. However, my postal worker, it has been raining here since last night, and there was a pause around lunchtime, and I think still till now, but everything is soaking wet, and they put this on my doorstep, leaning up against my door like this, so the whole bottom edge there on both sides got wet, and I thought, oh no, because I happened to remember I won crafty items, right? So I'm like, oh man, if these got ruined, I'm going to be so mad. They did not. They're okay. Yay. So Martha Makes Art is who the prize is from. When she did her live last, the week of the 2nd, the people who participated could participate in the prize things. She did little quizzes for part of them and then switched towards the end to doing numbers and stuff. And I got the answer fruitcake right because I guess I was the only one that answered at first anyway. My mother used to love fruitcake, so I knew the answer right away. Anyway, we could participate on the days we weren't part of her live. So this was probably Wednesday or something, the 3rd or maybe, I mean 4th or maybe the 5th. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Anyway, thank you, Martha. And there is a card. I'll just lay it here because I don't have anywhere to put it. There is a card. Let me get a pair of scissors so I don't tear the paper up. It says Hallmark. Wow. Fancy schmancy. There actually is a Hallmark store not far from us. There used to be one in the mall, but the mall is a ghost town. So let's see. Oh, it's Snoopy. Oh, let me see what it says. Oh, a little pack. This is not a little pack, Martha. She said thank you for basically her support, my support and love to her channel. She's very talented, so, you know, she deserves it. And she's wishing me a very Merry Christmas, but she said congratulations on winning a little pack of goodies. Hope you enjoy. Yes, I definitely will. I glanced at it while I was taking the stuff out to make sure nothing got ruined. So Martha made these ornaments on her lives. I don't remember if it was that week or after. I just can't remember. I think it was that week. So these are wood pieces, and she put paper on them and edged them and put lots of sparkles on. And I actually have a couple stand-up um, nutcrackers. I, I wanted to say woodpecker. I knew that wasn't right. My mind, I'll tell you, I don't know. And she's got bling here and some washi tape with snowflakes. Very pretty. And even the gold ribbon. I will take this down and hang it on my tree so I can look at it in the evenings and early mornings. So then let's do the big stuff first and then I'll go through the bag. Ooh, some beautiful papers. Almost looks like the Kirby Teasdale. But I don't think it is, because look what's on the other side. That is so cool. Old castle, even with a dragon here. That is really so cool. I don't know where this is from, if it was a kit or something, but I want to go see a castle sometime in my lifetime, hopefully sooner than later, because I'm not getting any younger. That's really pretty. I, I'd be, I'd have trouble picking a side of that to use, honestly. And then there's some other papers in here. So pretty. Now these are single-sided. Oh, look. It almost, I don't know if she did that or if it came like, I guess she did that with a punch or something. Anyway, so it almost looks like it's burnt around the edge, but it's not burnt, obviously. Oh, pretty tulips. Aw, that's interesting how that is. Again, almost looks burnt around the edge, but it's not. Maybe this was from a kid or something. Oh, look how adorable this is. Oh, that's so cute. Are there multiple ones? Oh, well, there's at least two. Sometimes, they have them on every, I can't open it. It is. Oh, how cute. I can make cards or anything. Oh, look. It even has hot buttered rum recipe on the inside. That's cool. Not that I'll make that, but years ago I would have. I tried making wassail once or twice. Yeah. So 4 panels have the gingerbread man, I guess, and a heart with candy canes. Oh, that's so cute. And hot buttered rum. The whole recipe. Maybe I'll have to try it anyway, even though I shouldn't have it. Yeah. I'm sorry I didn't get that back together right. Come on, Deb. Get it together. It goes like that. Ooh, and then we have some coming up for spring, which, to be honest with you, I'm already ready for. Let me put you up just a tiny bit there. Got butterflies and flowers. I love butterflies and flowers. You know that, Martha. These are really pretty too. So colorful. And this one too. Oh, so pretty. I will be using these. I have a little plastic, I think it's called a sweater bin. It's bigger than a shoebox. And this is on the 4 sides. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I will definitely be using them. I have a bin for napkins, so yeah. A nice purpley, wintry, snowy scene. All the pastels. That's a pretty piece of paper and it's thick. That's cardstock. Cool. I don't have that, that's for sure. Aw, stickers. It's all uh, what does that say? About. It's all about you. Boy. The you was throwing me off. Now I see it. And this says laugh often with a big grin. Good times, fun, surprise, love, cool. Take your time. That's me. Always take my time and always in my heart. Cool. I don't have that one. That's nice. I will definitely use the love. Maybe it's all about you because I have a birthday card or two I have to do. Laugh often will probably go in my planner, although it's kind of dimensional. Cool could be on a card too for someone. And take your time. Maybe a journal. The rest might go on a journal. Yeah. Nice. Oh, Mickey. Look who's two. Obviously, I will cut that apart. Oh, that's prepackaged. That's so cool. Is it? Oh, it's a pop-out card or something. It's got like, I don't know if you can, I don't want to open it. It's got like paper tucked behind it. So what does this say? Skateboard pop-up. Yeah. Oh, cool. Just add a lot of more years on there for me. But maybe that'll come up in a, what do you call those that she does? Shuffle, cut, create or something, right? And then this is absolutely stunning. Look at this. This is so, so pretty. This is Little Birdie. 4 sheets of decoupage papers. Ah, they're beautiful. They are beautiful. Wow. I'm surprised you gave them to me. Wow, they're so pretty. I mean, I'm surprised you didn't just keep them for yourself and use them. They're gorgeous. And there's 4 sheets in there. Wow. Oh, I love the birds. I have been so bad about filling my bird feeder downstairs. I can see it outside my living room window, even with the tree there where I sit. I can see right out to the bird feeder. And I left it empty for months because I've had a problem with squirrels getting into and living in my outdoor shed where I keep the lawnmowers, and I was keeping some other stuff, but I'm not anymore. So anyway, I had to go in there to get our snow shovels and ice melt not too long ago just to be safe and bring it to the landing that we have a landing in between an outer door and our kitchen door, which is the main way we come in. The only way we come in, even though there is another door. Anyway, um, so when I went in there, I was like banging on the door, trying to make sure the squirrels weren't in there still. Like maybe it would scare them away. I did not see them. They were nesting up. Well, one year they were down on a shelf. There's shelves on either side. And this is a sidebar story, sorry. But the last time I was in there, probably about 9 months ago, they were up in the rafters. There's like a like wood across, and then there was still some stuff up there, like old extra siding and stuff from before I bought the house, which is a long time ago. Well, they nested on it, and now it's like sagging down, and I was afraid to go in because I thought squirrels they can bite and they can be rabid and stuff, but I did not see them in there, so maybe they moved out, which was why I wasn't filling my bird feeder, because the squirrels were eating the stuff that fell on the ground and also trying to get into my supposedly squirrel-free feeder, but I didn't see them, so I think it worked. And I was hesitant to even fill it, but the weather was getting colder and the birds were looking for food on it. So I made it a point to fill it a few days ago, and boy, they are flocking. I have seen cardinals and blue jays and purple finches and wrens and woodpeckers. Beautiful woodpecker. Anyway, and probably some other ones I'm forgetting about. But anyway, yeah, I love this. Watch the birds. Oh, a nuthatch I saw, which has kind of a pointy. No, that's a tufted titmouse. How's that for a name, right? They have a little tuft on the back of their head. But these look like wrens maybe, and I'm not sure what this is with blue and yellow. Anyway, they're beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, there's more. Rub-on transfers. They'd be good to use on mixed media as well as borders and stuff, or in journals. That would be great on a journal page going down the edge. Oh, yeah, this one, all of them really. And there looks like there's two of each. One, two. So if you had a double spread, you could put one on either side of the board. I like that idea. Thank you, thank you. And then there's this. So let's see what's in here. Looks like some stickers and maybe more papers and stuff. Cool. Oh, it looks like a variety of Easter bunnies, duckies, a bumblebee. Ooh, I have a bee journal that I'm not done yet. Yeah, definitely Easter eggs. Oh, butterflies. So cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Easter. I will do something with these for sure, like maybe make pocket letters for my granddaughters and use some of them in there, although some of the bees might land in my bee journal if I ever get back to it. Oh, and here's some I guess painted? Yeah, they're painted, I think. I think these are paper, or yeah, maybe they're wood. I can't tell if they're like multiple layers of paper or no, I think it's a thin layer of wood, maybe paper and or definitely some kind of paint on it, acrylic paint probably. Awesome. I'll definitely use those. I don't know for what yet. Oh, here's another one. This one's scalloped. Definitely. See, it looks like multiple layers of paper to me, but it could be wood. Martha, tell me, are these wood? They're thinner than the ornament. That's why I was asking. Cool. Awesome, awesome. And then, ooh, some papers, journaling cards, travel, if I ever get traveling. My favorite place. I do have a travel journal too, but I haven't finished it, of course. I have like 4 journals sitting here unfinished that I need to finish. Oh, roses. Together with loving families, invite you to share in their joy in their wedding celebration. Well, hopefully that'll be a few years away for my oldest granddaughter. No, these can seriously, even without the saying, I can use the roses and stuff and the leaves, right? And these are vellum. These are RSVP. These are vellum. How pretty. How pretty. They'd be pretty in a journal too. Ugh, vintagey looking, right? They probably go good in my Kirby Teasdale journal. And all these are cute things. Lots of butterflies and bumblebees and bunnies and they're stickers, right? Or they just, yeah, they're foam stickers. Cool. Thank you, Martha. I believe that's everything. So her handmade ornament and some starts to these, yay. And the adorable Snoopy card. And I love it all. I will use it all eventually, hopefully, if I live that long. Oh my. Well, I'm not too sure about Mickey because I'm way beyond 2. I don't, well, unless my granddaughter gets married someday, and I'm not sure she will, honestly. I don't know. We'll see. Not for a while. Now watch, she'll come home at Christmas and say, "Guess what? I'm engaged." No, I don't think. She's paying more attention to her schoolwork because she has to do a 5-year degree program, and then she might have to go to her master's to get a job in her field. So we'll see what happens with that. I love it all. I will use this split up different ways. This I have to think on, but probably a mixed media project or something. Um, the napkins I'll definitely use, and I love this. I'm going to leave it out and use that soon. Love the hearts. I will definitely use them for something as well. Anyway, I'm rambling on now. Thank you, Martha. I really appreciate you. And I saw that you are having a tutorial go up today in a couple hours, so I'm going to really try and catch that as well, because I know you don't like to do tutorials very often, but yeah, I'll definitely come and watch that. I have to make sure I cook dinner before that so that I can pay attention to what you're doing. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't gone over and subscribed to Martha, do it. She does coloring, but she is an artist and she draws and paints and does mixed media, has some fun open collaborations like Shuffle Cut Create and Make Art with Martha. Pretty sure she said she'd do Shuffle Cut Create in 2025 again, so I'm going to try and participate as often as I can. I don't think I asked her about the other one, so I'm not sure, but we'll see. All right, everyone, thank you so much for being here. Go check out Martha and subscribe, and I appreciate you all. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. No matter what you celebrate or don't celebrate, just enjoy this peaceful, usually time of year, and we'll see you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.